So what you can also do is you can go around and freely transform out the image inside a Photopea as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto edit option right here, and then you can go around over here onto free transform right here, just like this. Once you go around over here, you get the handles as you can see, and you can freely go around and transform it and resize it according to how you want right here by clicking around these handles. You can click around the side handles right here as well and rotate it around by clicking and dragging as well. Apart from that, you can also hold Control Alt and T in order to transform it out right here, just like this. So you got transform on top of transform as you can see right here. So you can go around and right click and you can see that you have scale right here, just like this, which is the default option right here. You can go around and rotate it out right here, just like this, as you can see right here. You can go for skew as you can see right here. So it allows you to skew out the image as you can see right here, just like this. And apart from that, you can also go around onto distort as well, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, then what you can see is you have this out. So let's just go around onto distort right here, just like this, and you can go around and distort it from the side, just like this as well. So apart from that, you got the perspective as well, just like this. So this is what you have. So you can see that there's different transformation option that you can actually work around as well. You can also go around and warp it out as you can see right here by clicking and dragging this out right here and warp it right here. Then apart from that, you got the rotation as well as you can see right here, just like this, and this is what you have. So if I were to press enter, then this is what is applied. So that is how you can work around with the free transform option inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.